So, hey, hello everyone. I'm very excited that we are starting with the coding sessions. As said in bunch of the shots of this video of my channel, we are going to start the coding session. So this is the first class of coding in which you should know some of the basics of coding. Then we'll be going to the advanced versions, and it's a very simple language based learning, so we can very easily do that, and it is actually a trend nowadays, as I've already told. So you should please respond to that effort, because I've learned myself, so I wanted to share that, the knowledge, so that more and more people get that. So otherwise, if we just keep the knowledge with ourselves, maybe some other day we forget that. So I just want to distribute that knowledge. For that, you have to support me by subscribing it. In many of the videos I posted earlier, I didn't mention a lot about subscribing this channel, but now please subscribe this channel because I want this channel to grow as much as it can. So let's get started with it. So I hope you will enjoy the session. So let's get started. So basically, let's discuss about coding a little, introduction to that. So it's actually a step-by-step process, which we say, like we do know that we follow an algorithm according to which we do certain things. Like if you have to go to market, first you have to do this, then you have to do this, then you have to do this. Like for example, like you have to buy something from the market. Your mother has ordered you. So like that is the input which is given. So here then you sit on the bicycle, you go to the market, you take the fruits, give the money, and again ride on the cycle and come to home. That is the whole algorithm which you follow, and this is the algorithm which you basically know some or the other time. It's written in computer books also, which you study. And preferably one thing I should say that like in class 10th, I had a subject of computer. 7th, 8th, 9th class, I had not studied computer a lot. So in class 10th, but because my basics are almost clear related to it, and we use it in day-to-day life for recording videos. With this video, I'm also using computer, so that is why actually those were the basic things which were needed. So accordingly, I just studied not from my school, but from some videos, right? So I got full marks in that. तो बेसिकली द थिंग इज कि कंप्यूटर हमारा बेसिकली हम जैसे होता है ना कि कोई बच्चे होते हैं उस टाइम वो छोटे छोटे बच्चे भी आजकल कंप्यूटर चलाने लगते हैं. ऐसा नहीं होता कि उनके पास कोई गाइड होती है कंप्यूटर चलाने की. दे डू इट ऑन देयर ओन बिकॉज इट्स वेरी इजी डिवाइस व्हिच यू फॉलो. बट how to give instruction to that sophisticated but easy device is something which matters a lot. You have to give instruction in the form of codes. You have to give instruction to before that you have to learn coding for that. So it's actually when we can make an app or software. When we learn coding, that's when we actually can make an app or software, right? So actually we give instruction to the computer and the computer actually works upon it, right? So like there are different types of languages which we use in this case. Like there is Python, C++, Java, C++, and see a lot of many languages are there depending upon this. The thing is, okay, let me tell that thing a little later, because that is a thing like you all might know that computer understands a language called binary language. In maths, see basically एक और चीज मैं यहाँ पे कहना चाहूंगी that computer science is something which requires some basic maths, which is very basic. And like I have studied like number system also in the math, so we know that there is a base called like there is base 1, base 2, base 3 इस type से base 10 होता है. हम जो use करते हैं like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, these digits I use, and 0 also, in base 10. So we use the decimal system, but there are different types of system. Binary system is when we use the base 2. If you want to detail, then you can get many on the different types. I will just explain a little bit about it. Like binary system is the one which is like 10 includes what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it includes all the digits which are less than 10, right? Similarly, for 2, it includes all the digits which are less than 2. And of course, it's positive and I mean 0 or positive. So it's 0 and 1. Right? 3 के लिए क्या होगा? 0, 1, 2. So what will be it for 8? You have to tell in the comment section if you get it. So so that I can get who all are interested in the coding classes as well. So like we have to do play a video game, we have to do email, means electronic mail, electronic. Here a major difference I want to point out is difference between electrical and electronic. So you should actually search for it out. So and you can write in the comment section. So basically let me tell you something about electric and electronic. Electric and electronic are like, electric is some term which you use in your physics as well, right? So electric is when there is a flow of charge, right? Simple electric current which we say. Electric current is rate of flow of charge, in fact. The thing is, and we use when rate of, flow of electrons, then it is called electronic, which you should understand is flow of electrons, right? Okay, so you have to search more about it in detail and tell me whether you get it or not. The next thing which I want to tell you is like we are like booking a Uber, Ola, like we are banking. So and we are doing a conference call between the people. We are ordering something from Amazon. We are watching the movies on Netflix and etc. and etc. So like there are different apps which we use. Right, on laptop which we say Word documents which we use. Even in mobile there are Word documents, and we take selfie from a camera and like making a video on laptop selfie, which you say. Okay, laptop front camera, I should say. Selfie is just front camera. Selfie means I'm taking my own self image, right? No problem. Just these are some words. Similarly, another word which I want to tell you is app. App. What does it mean? The full form of app is application, which is a software. Now, the term software is what we use on computers, and application is what we use on mobile. So there are different types of software on laptop. The apps which I use, like this is my YouTube. So YouTube app is open on my this YouTube itself. So on my mobile itself. So this app is basically application which I use on mobile. So on mobile, what we say it is app, and on laptop which we say software, right? So according to the new education policy, you all should know this, that from 6 it is a compulsory subject. Maybe I'm not very true with this information, but maybe I've heard from someone, so I'm just telling. So I hope you enjoyed this session. So I can end the session over here. And I want your responses, how you enjoyed this first session of coding. So it was really amazing teaching coding. In this, we just discussed the introduction part of coding. And it's actually a sequential process. We learn so many things out of it. So the thing is, you should have some patience and we'll become a fantastic coder. That's all which we said for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.